everyone, we're Alpher and Omega.
And this is Alpher and Omegar's Mystery Unboxing!
Ayo! So, welcome back to Luke Warner. Today we've got more of Star Wars bobbleheads from Funko.
Star Wars!
Mystery Mini.
Yeah. So we've got, of course,
Original Trilogy.
Original Trilogy. We've got now our previous...
Yeah, we've got
previously
we've got Chewbacca, Snaggletooth, the Jabba, and Princess Leia.
Let's see here. My box feels a little heavy. I hope it's not another Chewbacca.
Probably feels about the same as mine.
Yeah, maybe. I don't know.
I'm hoping we don't get any duplicates in this grouping.
Hoping not, so...
There are enough figures that we, shouldn't.
A difficult bag.
He's coming out breach. Oh, the one I was hoping for. Obi-Wan Kenobi.
And Han Solo.
Nice. So, I don't even mind that bend. It's kind of a katana bend to his...
It is, yeah, that's pretty cool. Nice. Alright, so, let's see.
That's so good. And Obi-Wan. Bobbles.
And Han... doesn't.
No, well, you've got to put Han over here, and you've got to put the princess next to Solo, right?
Yeah.
And then I'll stick Obi-Wan here. Oh, good.
Boom.
Boom!
Save us, Obi-Wan Kenobi. You're our only hope.
That is looking really cool.
That is looking really cool. Oh, we didn't even give him close-ups of the figures.
I should.
Oh, I didn't give him a close-up of Han, sorry. Let me get Han back out of here.
What are you thinking?
Good Lord. Alright, so...
Interesting to think that the only time these two characters appeared on screen together was when she was an infant.
So here's Han with his blaster. As you can see, his little leg holster. Oops, sorry. Sometimes they have problems with steady hands.
Do you have some sort of palsy?
Oh, no. I need some of that, I forget what it's called. That stuff from Metal Gear that calms your nerves so you can slide. Gee, mini Christmas. I could never be a surgeon.
Would you like me to do this?
You give that a shot. Yeah, definitely couldn't be a surgeon and do anything that requires any sort of,
Well, he's a happy fellow, isn't he?
He is. He is. Alright, now let's get these put back together. So far I'm really pleased with how these figures just in general. It's like I'm going up and then you start going up and we're both going up. We can't both go up, It's like one of us goes right and the other one goes left and we're going into each other, we're going to crash,
I do. That's why someone leads when dancing.
Yeah.
Yeah. Alpher. Alright, well, check out some of our other videos.
Be sure to like and subscribe, comment, let us know what you think of these figures. Which one is your favourite so far? I think definitely
Obi-Wan
Kenobi is dope, and he has the best bubbles, so
he does.
He wins.
We'll probably try and straighten that out a little bit.
I do like the figures just in general, though.
Yeah.
They're pretty cool.
If I had one complaint, I wish they were slightly less cartoony. Just a little bit.
I think there might actually be a Disney cartoon where they look
like this.
Maybe. I could be wrong.
Could be.
But this Chewbacca
definitely
looks familiar.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So, alright. Well, until next time, that's this time.
For Alpher Omegar, ayo!